Hey everyone, check out the Aganmi 156-piece iron-on chenille letter patches, perfect for customizing your clothes and accessories. These 2-inch varsity-style patches come with heat seal backing for easy application using an iron at 150 degrees for 50 seconds. You can also sew them on or use glue for extra durability, making them ideal for jackets, hats, jeans, shoes, backpacks, and more. With 6 vibrant colors and a dense chenille texture, they add a unique, 3-dimensional look to your DIY projects. These patches make great personalized gifts for friends and family for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Just remember to hand wash items with patches to keep them looking their best. If you want to elevate your style with creative letter patches, this set has everything you need. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.